See myself, I'm an eagle. I can soar alone. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. Come on in. No judgment zone. Make yourself right at home. Yes, before we get into this video, subscribe. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And as you guys may or may not see, I am almost to 1,000 subscribers. So please smash that subscribe button for your girl. You won't regret it. Trust me, you won't. Alright, well, let's get into this video. I've got a few things that I'm going to get into today. So I hope you enjoy it. See you when I see ya. So word on the internet is this new sandwich at Popeyes. So I decided to come get one and try it for you guys. And literally, the line is wrapped. Like what?
Yeah, look at the niggas in them.
It is so packed in there. Like, oh my God, that is crazy. Well, I might have to join the Popeyes sandwich train. Yeah, I won't be trying that today. Hell no, my patience is way too thin. So yeah, no. Oh my God, is it that good though? It's got me thinking. Like, I'm definitely gonna try one for you guys and give y'all my opinion. Because everyone has one, right? And you're gonna get mine. Just not today. I'm a little sleepy baby. I'm really big on customer service, okay? And today I have received some amazing customer service. What's your name?
I'm Crystal.
From Crystal, here at a Cricket phone store in where I'm at. None of y'all business. Stalkers. Nice. But yes, she there's nothing like good customer service. So I was like, let me put you on my blog. Yay. So when I get big, I'll come back and check on her. Awesome. And get one of these expensive phones. Thank you, Crystal.
Thanks.
Do you have Instagram or anything?
Yes.
You want to tell the people? Like,
no.
Okay. Nope, she doesn't want any stalkers. I'm not going to allow that. All right, guys. Your girl is about to eat good. Yes, I topped them off with fresh jalapenos, shrimp spring roll, the spicy salmon. Of course, look who's right here. Yes. And because I am just that greedy, I went ahead and ordered this for my dinner later. It is salmon in a lemon butter, steamed rice, and vegetables. Yes. What's up, guys? So, down by the lakefront, enjoying some nature today. Got my skins. These are bad for you, but I don't care. At the park, down by the lake. Get out the house sometimes, guys. Get out and enjoy nature. It's good for you. Come on, Papa. It's good for you. It's good for your soul. It's good for your everything. It's good for your skin. Good for your mind. Let's see if we can catch him coming down this slide. Sorry, you guys, if I have anything on my teeth. I apologize in advance. Ooh, come on! Yay! Good job. It's not too hot out down here by the water. We're gonna walk closer down by the lake in a minute. Let's walk closer to the lake. Yeah, we're gonna take y'all down by the lake. I'm gonna take you guys down by the lake. It just feels amazing out here, guys. It feels amazing. It costs, what, $3 for residents of this town to drive in, but it's okay. Somebody's got to pay for it, and it looks nice and clean. At first I was like, no, I'm not paying $3. Come on, Pop. He found a friend. Feel good, don't it? Yeah. It's hard to get them away when you see friends. Comment down below if you love skins. I love them, but that pork is bad for you. Every now and then, I'll have a bag. They'll give you a headache if you're not careful. I'm gonna walk down closer by the lake, guys. All the way over here. We'll know next time.
Yeah. Somebody has some weed.
I smell it. They got some jet skis down here. It's going down. So nice. Where? Yeah. Down by the lakeside, enjoying some nature. Got some people of all backgrounds and races. We got some people down here on some jet skis. It's my first time here. So you know, trying to see what all they got going on. You want to pick up some flowers? You can pick up flowers. You see the flowers and grass? Here. So nice. Mommy loves the water. Mommy loves the water. Yeah, guys, take this in with me. God is nature. Nature is God. I always make a point to get out in nature and enjoy nature. Get from in front of the TV screen. You know, get from in front of watching YouTube all day. Get out here. Listen to the water. Take it all in. Alright, I'm going to put this phone down now and take it all in. My kid's tugging at me. I got to be careful with him. We're going to walk down. We're going to walk down and around and all around and up and down. So good for you. It feels so good and soothing to my soul right now. Legit. And I have a, this stroller is like a all-terrain. That's why I'm mad I didn't bring it. But I actually want him out running around and stuff. God Daddy vibes. I bet y'all like, what do they have going on? None of your business. I'm gonna keep you wondering.
Looking bust down Mama Yana, y'all. Hey, I'm out here enjoying nature. I'm not trying to be cute. Not today. No, I'm not always trying to be cute. I can't stress that enough. When I'm in mommy mode, hey, nothing else matters to me. So cool. So cool. Y'all see me trying to toss this bun around? I'm feeling green. That's why I needed nature. I put on green. Got people out here on their boats and stuff. There's a sailboat out here. Oh, it's way out yonder. I'm gonna take my steam. I wish I would have known it was all this. I would have put on sandals. I'm out here looking like a real nigga. That's okay, because I'll be more prepared next time. Next time might be tomorrow. Oh, it just smells so... It smells so good. Like, I can smell the seaweed. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to, you know, take you guys along with me today, just a tad bit. I know this vlog may be a bit choppy, and that's okay. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy this, and allow my child to enjoy it. Put this phone down. Ew! You can't go no further. If I would let him go as far out, he would try to go as far out. My baby loves water, like his mommy. Yes, Papa. These waves are busting. This is what life is about. Nature, your kids, peace, serenity. That's all that matters in life. He don't even want me to hold his hand. Whoa! Wow! Alright, you guys. I was trying to get a picture, a thumbnail. But alright. I'm gonna walk over here by these birds. It was some, oh, woo! You'll see them? It was some really pretty white birds over here. I wanted to show you guys, but they all flew off together in a flock, kind of like a lot of y'all are, a lot of people that I know. Some birds. See, myself, I'm an eagle. I can soar alone. A lot of y'all out here in this world are birds. Birds and parrots. You do a lot of talking, and you don't know how to do nothing alone with just you and God. Don't get me to preaching. Don't get me to preaching. Don't be a bird. The message in this video, don't be a bird. Be an eagle. Learn how to soar alone, above the rest. You know what I'm saying? Don't be a bird. Don't be a bird or a parrot. Do a lot of talking and always gotta have a flock. I'm an eagle. I'm a certified eagle. God approved. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love you all. Bye.